I was taken by the moon, looking down on everything I never knew.
What up with you folks? I just picked up a Dremel 3D45 3D printer, and I've been jonesing to start making some parts for this 2015 FZ07.
I'm awakened by the truth that only for a moment I'm alive with you.
So the first piece that I made is this bracket. So it's essentially an extruded cylinder, and I built it in Alias, and I had a ton of issues getting it to print properly. It didn't print at all at first. I just couldn't get the thing to work. Eventually I got the orientation right and did get it to print, and this is basically just a test to see if the dimensions are aligned. There's a little bit of a gap under here because there's a raised surface on the stock piece, so I'll have to adjust for that. But the goal is to build this into a bit more robust bracket that I can mount any kinds of accessories for. The first accessory is going to be super useful at Malibu Cars and Coffee, and there's going to be a chance for you to win this bracket and that first accessory. I'll ship it to you for free. Stay tuned to the end to find out how to enter to win that. Speaking of Malibu Cars and Coffee, let's get up there and see if anything cool shows up. Here we are, and first things first, let's handle some business. Now we can get started. That's a tight squeeze. Ooh. I don't care what anybody says. The Diablo is still one of the hottest cars ever made. There were a ton of cool bikes, ton of cool cars at Malibu Cars and Coffee, even a little bit of coffee for myself. And let me know in the comments what you thought the hottest piece at the show was. I mean, personally, I'm digging that McLaren Senna. I mean, how could you not? That's such a beautiful piece. But again, that's my opinion. Let me know what you liked at the show in the comments. And speaking of comments, to enter to win the first set of the bracket and the accessory for a 2015 Yamaha FZ-07 that I'm custom building, leave a comment with your guess for what the first accessory is going to be. The first person to guess correctly will get that full kit. Again, free shipping. I'll send it to you for nothing. Just let me know what you think that first accessory is going to be. Again, the tip is it's going to be useful in Malibu Cars and Coffee. All right, happy guessing, and I'll talk to you soon.